So today we are going to discuss matrix multiplication problem. This is very specific thing, and because multiplication is a very special thing. So how do we multiply matrix? Okay, here we have used 2 cross 2 matrix. In this you can see that row is multiplied with column. Okay, and how do we multiply? Like we are choosing row of this particular thing and column of this green matrix. So here we have put a column wise wx and yz and row wise this. So this is this uses the row and this uses the column. Okay, now here you can see that a is multiplied by w plus a is b is multiplied by y. Okay, so this will generate the first element of resultant matrix. Similarly, a is multiplied by x and b is multiplied by z. So this will give you the first row. Okay, then c is multiplied by w and d is multiplied by y. Similarly, c is multiplied by x and d is multiplied by z. So this will give you second row. So this is the computation. This is the important part. Here one example is also illustrated that 0 is multiplied by 1 will give you 0. And similarly, what we need to multiply by this here 0, 1 and 3 minus 3. So if we multiplied and add all these together, it will give you minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? So what is the fundamental of matrix multiplication? So it uses matrix A uses row I and column J. And if we multiplied both the thing, it will produce Cij. Okay, that is row I multiplied by column J equals to Aik multiplied by Bkj. Okay, this particular for this particular Cij, this particular Cij, this will be the answer. Okay, using this answer, we are using the for loop. So better let us try to solve this problem. So we have taken two matrices, A and B, and another matrix that is multiplication of 10 crore. So the maximum size is 10, 10. Initially, we start with clearing the screen. Then it will ask for enter the number of rows and number of columns. Suppose we have taken 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Okay, then what will be the solution? In next screen, we will see it will ask for the entering the number. So this loop will start running from j equals to 0 to 2. Okay, j equals to j is less than 3. Up to j is less than 3 it will run, and it will store all the elements. How it will store all the elements row and column wise? So let us see this. So outer for loop is given, outer for loop is given, outer for loop is I equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so outer for loop I am writing here, I will run from 0, 1 and 2. Then inner for loop for each I, there will be execution of j. Okay, so let me write j also. So yes, j is 0, 1 and 2. Now for this first for loop, this first for loop, what it will be going to scan aij. Okay, so ai is 0, j is 0. I'm not writing square bracket because of limited space. Fine. Now a01 will be scanned and then a02 will be scanned. After that, this loop is completed for j. Now it will start scanning for I equals to 1. So now A1, J is 0, A10 will be scanned. Then A1, and J is also 1, A1, 1, and A1, 2 will be scanned. And finally, A2, 0, A2, 1, and A2, 2 will be scanned. Fine. So these numbers are stored.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to, this is for matrix A. Now come to similar for loop is used here for matrix B. So let me write matrix B with some other color. Okay. So similarly, I is outer for loop and J is inner for loop. So let us write this. Let me execute one by one. So this for loop number I equals to 0 will be executed. Okay. And for j equals to 0, what will be the element which we need to use? 0, 0. Then j equals to 1, then b 0, 1. Then j equals to 2, b 0, 2. Now this loop will be exited and it will go to for loop number 1. So now b ij is 1, 0. Then j is incremented by 1. So now it will be b1, 1. And j is incremented by 2. Then this will be b1, 2. And finally, it will exit from this loop and go to this loop. So the new value of I is 2. And now it is b20, b21, and b2. So this is all about matrix. How do it scan the matrix? Fine. So it may scan any value. I'm not going to calculate this. I'm going to calculate mathematics behind it. Now come to this screen. This is our screen which will calculate the matrix multiplication terms. Okay. It will calculate the matrix multiplication term, and let me increase the size of rows and columns. Now this is our matrix, and how do it perform all the things? Fine. So again, this screen is not visible. Let me make visible this screen. Yes. So let us start one by one. Okay. Our fundamental, it shows that for I, j equals to 0, j equals to 1, and so on. So outer for loop is, what is our outer for loop? So let me highlight on the for loops, each of the for loops. Highlighter. This is our outer for loop. Okay. This is second for loop. And this is third for loop. For loop inside for loop. Fine. Now, what are the calculations associated with each of the for loop? So this is first calculation. Let me erase this. This will not give us good. Okay. So this is our first calculation. Not innermost. And this is another calculation. Okay. So this calculation is given here. What we are going to calculate ij, value of ij. Fine. So initially, let us see the value of I, and let us start calculating. I is initially 0. And for this I, what is given here? This for loop is given. This for loop is given for j equals to 0. Okay. J equals to 0 and k equals to 0. Up to this, I equals to 0 and j equals to 0. I equals to 0 and j equals to 0. What will happen? Initially, I and j, for I and j, this is given m and ij. Ij is 0, 0. equals to 0 will be initialized. Okay, now it is initialized for all I equals to 0. M00 is initialized. Okay, now it will not initialize further here. So for j equals to 0, what will be our answer? So this answer is M00 is initialized. Now our answer will start M00 equals to M00 plus, from next line I am writing this term. This is our term. Okay, what is our term? So this is actually, this term is, I'm writing here somewhere here, AIK multiplied by BKJ. Okay, so what is the value of AIK? I is 0, K is also 0, plus BKJ, not plus, this is multiplied by this, BKJ. What is value of KJ? K is 0 and J is also 0. Now,
Yes.
now we need to add. Okay, now next term will be coming. Now next term is M00 equals to M00 plus. Okay, so next term, this is our first term. First term is calculated like this, A00 B00. Now this whole term is added together. This whole term is added together and new M00 will be coming, and the value of J is still 0. J is still 0. J is still 0 for this, but the value of K is incremented by 1 here. So now what will be the answer? So this is A IK. So I is 0 and K is 1. So this is A01 multiplied by BKJ 1 0. Okay, so this is 0 1 1 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now come to next loop. This is still M00 is given as M00 plus, now A. What is the value of K now? K is 2 because
2.
it is innermost for loop. So now A IK, I is 0, K is 2 multiplied by BKJ. K is 2 and J is 0. Okay,
0.
so this is 0 2 and 2 0 will come here. Now you can see that this term we can also write, this term we can also write as, because every time M00 is written, M00 is written. So what is this term? This term is A00 B00 plus, the whole result is coming, and now A01, let us write. So how do we write M00 as A00 B00 plus A01 B10 plus A02 B20? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now come to next. Okay, still I is 0. I is 0 and the value of J is incremented because J is completed now. Okay, so now because K is also completed, so due to this completion of K, J will be incremented. Okay, J will be incremented. Now
Yes, sir.
J equals to 1 will be coming. Okay, and K equals to 0. Now whenever J is changed, the value of M is, the value of M subscript is also changed. So what is this? I is 0 and J is 1. So M01 is equals to 0. Now new value of M01 will be and I am writing only one term, okay, here, and then put plus plus only. So M01 equals to M01 plus A. What is the value of A is AIK. I is 0
Zero.
and K is 0.
Zero.
Okay. Then B KJ. K is 0 and J
Zero.
is 1. And
One.
then put 1 plus. Put 1 plus. Okay. Because ultimately we are going to add this. So I had written this statement like this. Fine. So let me write M00 plus also. So now this is M01 plus A00 and then plus and go to next iteration. Now what is the value of J? J is 1. K is incremented by 1. Okay. So now this only plus term. I am writing only this term. Okay. Now what is the term? A is AIK 0, 1 multiplied by B K J. K is 1, J is 1 and then plus. So here you can see that this is first term 0, 0, 0, 1. Now 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now come to J equals to
Yes.
1 and K equals to 2. What will be the answer? So A, then I, K, I is 0, K is 2 multiplied by BKJ is 2, 1. So here 0, 2 and 2, 1 is written. So this term we have completed. Fine. Everything is added together. Now this term is added with this and so on. Let us now write the next term. So J is incremented by 2. K is 0. J is incremented to 2 and K is equals to 0. Now what will be the value? So initially again M02 will be coming, that is equals to 0, and then M02 equals to M02 plus A. What is the value of now? I K. I is 0
Zero.
and K is 0.
Zero.
B KJ. K is 0 and J is 2. And then plus. Okay. Then plus. So this is our term 0, 0 and 0, 2. Now come to J equals to 2, K equals to 1. So what will be coming? This is now we are using this term only. So A I K. I is 0 and K is 1 multiplied
One.
by BKJ. BKJ. K is 1, J is 2. Okay. Whatever I am
Yes.
using dot here, this is actually multiplication. Let me write
Yes.
multiplication so that it is very easy. Fine. Now J equals to 2 and K equals to 2. So this will perform addition and then A I is 0, K is 2 multiplied by BKJ. K is 2 and J is 2. So here you can see that 0, 2 and 22 is written 0, 1 and 1, 2. Okay. So this is our first row computation. Now come to next. 1 because j is also completed and k is also completed. So now this is lower loop is completed, upper loop is completed, then I will be completing, I will start incrementing. So now this will be 1. The value of I will be 1. Now ij 0, 0. Same thing is running for next iteration also. Okay, j and k. So that's why I'm not showing this. So this is not 0, 0. I is 1, 1, 0 equals to 0. Now m 1, 0 equals to m 1, 0 plus a I k. What is the value of I k? Now tell me. 1, 0 multiplied by bkj. What is the value of k?
Sir,
0,
0.
0, 0. So this is 1, 0, 0, 0 is coming here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I am adding plus only. Now come to next a I k. I is 1, k is 1 multiplied by b, k is 1, j is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Yes. Now
Yes, sir.
Now we are adding the next term. So this is a. What is the value of I? This is 1. K is 2 multiplied by b, kj to 0. Okay. So this is 1, 2 and 2, 0. Now come to next. Now j is completed. Sorry. K is completed. Okay. K is completed. So j is again incremented to 1. So now j is incremented to 1. So let us write a I k. I is 1 and k is 0 multiplied by b kj 0, 1 plus. One more important thing, whenever the value of j is changed, then what will happen? Whenever we are changing the value of j, so the first step is coming necessarily. So what is our first step? M ij, I is 1, j is also 1 equals to 0. Then m11 equals to m11 plus the next term a ik, I is 1, k is 0 multiplied by bkj. K is 0 and j is 1. Okay. Now come to next. Then 1 plus I am adding here. Then a I is 1, ik is 1. So this term we have written here. Now come to this term. A ik multiplied by b kj 1, 1. So this is our next term. Now come to next term. A ik, I is 1, k is 2 multiplied by b, k is 2 and j is 1. So this is here. Okay. So this term is also completed. Now come to next. Now k is completed. So a value of j will be incremented. So here we need to add m ij, I is 1, j is 2, m12 equals to 0. Then m12 equals to m12 plus, then what is our term? A I k, I is 1, k is 2, k is 0 multiplied by b kj, so 0, 2. So this is our next term plus a I is 1, K is also 1, multiplied by B, Kj 1, 2. So this is our next term 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay. Then plus, and then A, I is 1, K is 2, multiplied by B, 2, 2, K and J. So this is our next term. Fine. Now the J is also completed, K is also completed. So next loop will start, and this is I equals to 2. This is our last jump. Now, whenever we are changing the value of J, automatically it will become M20 equals to 0. Then M20 equals to M20 plus A. What is the value of I? 2, K 0 multiplied by B 0, 0. Okay. Now
Yes.
plus A I is 2, J I K 2, 1 multiplied by B K J. Next term, then A 2, 2 multiplied by B 2, 0. So this is our next term. Okay. So this term is calculated. Now come to next one. J is changed now. So this is M21 equals to 0. M21 equals to M21 plus A. I is 2, K is 0 multiplied by B, K is 0, J is 1. So this term we have written plus A, I is 2, K is 1 multiplied by B, K is 1, J is also 1 plus. So this term we have completed. Then A, I is 2, K is 2 multiplied by B, K is 2, J is 1. So this term we have calculated. So this is again, now K is completed, new J will come, J is equals to 2. So let us write the next equation. M22 equals to 0, M22 equals to M22 plus A, I is 2, K is 0, multiplied by B, K is 0, J is 2. So this term we have completed. Then added with A, I is 2, K is 1, multiplied by B, K is 1, J is 2. Okay, so this is also completed. Now added with A, I is 2, K is 2, multiplied by B, K is 2, J is 2. So this is our complete matrix. So any doubt in this matrix?
No, sir.
How do we solve? Suppose, let me explain this particular portion. Okay, let me explain this particular portion, how it is going to execute. See, there are many for loops. So how do we execute all the for loops one by one? It is first. Okay, fine. So I want to explain you using one more box. Yes. Okay. This is loop for I. Now inner loop is J. Inside that, one more loop is there. That is J. So maybe J is denoted by this color is fine. Now come to K. I think this screen is not visible to you. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Some screen is visible.
No, sir.
So, but here it is showing something is shared. Let us, okay. One more thing I need to insert, then I will show you. So now this screen is visible, correct? So,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now I'm going to show you this particular portion. Fine. How do we solve this portion? So this is our loop, and let me highlight over this highlighter, some other color. Okay. So now I'm going to explain this, how this will come. So what is the loop value? I is equals to 1. I equals to 1. And what is the value of j? J is equals to 2. And what is the value of k? K is also equals to 1. Now, how do we execute this particular? Uh, Actually, I'm not executing this particular. I'm executing all the three things. Okay, k equals to 0, k equals to 1, and k equals to 2. So we will start from k equals to 0. Yes. So let me erase this thing also. And I want to explain you the whole term. Yes. So how this will be coming. Okay. So here k equals to 0. For k equals to 0 up to j equals to 2. What happened? What is the value of m? Multiplication. Okay. What is written here? Ij. So what is the value of I? I is 1 and j is 2. That is initialized to 0. Now m12 equals to m12. Because of this multiplication I plus. Okay, so plus is written. Now this plus is given, so that this will be automatically store the next value. So for k equals to 0, for k equals to 0, what happened? A I k. Okay, I is 1, k is 0, multiplied by bkj. What is the value of k? K is 0 and j is 2. Now the next loop will start executing. Next loop will start executing and this will become new M12. So that's why I had not written so many times. Here I had explained. Now K equals to 1 will be coming. So with this K equals to 1, what happened? A and IK. Okay. So what is the value of I? I is 1. So, and K is also 1 multiplied by B. K is 1 and J is 2. So 1, 2. And then plus next term is K equals to 2. Okay. So in this K equals to 2, what happened? AI is 1, K is 2 multiplied by KJ. K is 2 and J is also 2. So likewise, this whole thing will be calculated. So any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it clear to all of you? Now this will calculate, this will give you the exact answer. And after that, there are so many explanations I had written. Here also I had explained. Okay, after that you can use the for loop, and after this for loop, very similar for loop, it will print the M00, M01, M02 and so on, and this will give you the all values. So I think this is very easy to understand. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with this we finish our fourth unit, fourth module. And you are doing the courses of Coursera?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which course you have started?
Sir, course 1. Sir,
Okay.
by algorithm and
Okay, fine. After completion of this course, what I am suggesting you, because you are not able to do so many works. Okay. What are the different works you are not able to perform? Because GitHub is required and so many other things are required. So I will give you another course, and let me post it in your screen also.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, sir, we cannot enroll for another course anymore.
Okay. So it is my suggestion. Give me 1 minute. तो क्या करना क्या है आप लोगों को? Let me stop recording here. I think this is completed. So with this we finish unit number 4. Okay.